viewers, the video is a little bit different from the regular videos them. I just come to talk to them about a little thing. No formal, nothing, but that's a reason we do know. You, me, everybody know that crime in Jamaica is out of control. I mean, everybody know how brazen and callous the criminals in the country are, especially when they are carrying out their murderous acts. But I could talk about where the thing really reach now. Normally, if you see video footage of somebody committing murder, it is normally CCTV footage. You don't normally see videos of people committing murder and the person who commit the murder and do the video thing. But that's the thing reach family. Right, that's it. As by now, many of you would have seen a video that has gone viral on social media where a man was lying on his back, blooded, and somebody walked over him and shot him multiple times in his head. Now, the person who did the shooting is the person who actually recorded the video. I have never seen that before. Not in Jamaica anyways. So I'm give you a little bit of rundown about the situation. But even try to memorize this because I not even want this in my head, like in a real life. Watch this. 56-year-old landscaper Mr. Everton Peart of Caribbean Terrace in Harborview, from all reports, was shot dead in the vicinity of 64 Melbrook Heights in Harborview at about 10 a.m. on Wednesday the 28th of April. Now, as I said earlier, there's a video in the public space with a person firing 5 bullets into Peart's head as he lay bloodied on the road. The police have identified a person of interest in connection with the murder. So the person who recorded the video, who did the shooting, apparently had a revolver in their hand. So the police are saying they have identified a suspect. But let me tell you what I've identified. I have identified that we're in a trouble. Like, serious trouble. And that's how the thing reach. The only thing left for the man do a video in face while he might do the shooting, brother. You tell me in the comment section if you ever see any video like this out of Jamaica before, where a man record himself actually a killer next man. So there's also a voice note in circulation with the video, and this is what the voice note said.
Well, big win, and I have a view that's in that. The man I say, informer star. They say it to my friend.
As the man said in the voice note, they say it to my friend. Now, I cannot speak about the situation as I don't know what is the cause. But what I know is that we're in a trouble, brother. Yeah, man. Trouble dead. I'm gone.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!